Alright guys, welcome to today's tutorials. Today we will be looking at section B of 2025 WAEC questions. Get your calculators ready and your writing materials. We'll be right back. Our next question says, in this diagram, that we should find angle ACD. That means we're looking for this angle and angle AXD. So we are looking for this angle. Now, in order to find this angle, okay, ACD, now we are going to apply certain rules of circuit geometry to find our angles. First off, we are going to calculate this angle A. Okay, now looking at chord BC, we are meant to understand that these two lines are parallel. Okay, so if these two lines are parallel, we can know that this chord is forming an alternate angle. Okay, if it's forming an alternate angle, that means there will be 40 and here will also be 40. Why? Now, for angle A, okay, let's see it as angle BAC equals to 40 degrees. Reason, angles in same segment. Now, if we are talking of angle in same segment, we are considering chord BC. Okay, that's what makes this angle 40 degrees with this. Angles in same segment. Okay, now, having known that, we can also find out this, since this is alternate, angle ABD equals to 40 degrees, alternate, okay, alternate angles, okay, since we are told that this line and this line are parallel, okay, since they're parallel, this will form an alternate angle. Now, if this is alternate to this, that means considering angle AD, I'm considering our chord AD, okay, angle C will also be 40. So our ACD equals to 40 degrees. Reason, angle in same segment. Okay, considering chord GA. Okay, now since we know this to be 40, we can find this point, which will become 180 minus 80, which is 100 degrees. Reason, angle, sum of angles in a triangle. Sum of angles in a triangle. Okay, sum of angles in a triangle will give us that reason. Okay, now having known that here is 100, having known that here is 100, okay, we can find our ADX. So therefore, AXD equals to 180 minus 100, which will give us 80 degrees. Now, what's our reason there? Our reason is angle on a straight line. Okay, that will be our reason. So I will find out two angles, ACD and AXD. Okay, our ACD is 40, while our Mrs. Otto spent 1/9 of her salary on rent, 1/2 on food, 1/4 on clothes, and still had $195 left. How much did she earn? If you've enjoyed our video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, click on your notification buttons for more updates, and share this link with your family and friends. You can also follow us on Facebook page at Mathematics Simplified. Alright, now to solve this, let's look at if she spent 1/9, let her total salary be X, let the salary be X. Okay, so she spent 1/9, 1/9 of X plus 1/2 of X plus 1/4 of X, and she still had 195 left. So all of this will sum up to X. Okay, now since we are looking for how much she earned, we can find the LCM of this. LCM of this will be 9 times 4 will give us 36. Okay, 9 into 36, that is 4. 4 times X will give us 4X plus 2 into 36, 18. 18X plus 4 into this, into 36, 9. 9X plus this is over 1. 1 here, 36. So 36 times 195 will give us 7,020 equals to X. So at this point now, we can cross multiply. Okay, so cross multiplying will give us 4x plus 18x will give us 22x plus 9x will give us 31x plus 7020 equals to 36x. Now we can collect like terms. Now if we collect like terms, this is going to become 36x minus 31x equals to 7020. Okay, now at this point, what do we do next? We subtract. This will give us 5x equals to 7020. So our x equals to 7020 divided by 5. X equals 1,404. So this is how much she earned for that month, $1,404. A sector of a circle of radius 6 cm subtends an angle of 105 at the center. Calculate its perimeter and 2 area of sector. In order to calculate the perimeter, now let's look at our sector. When we talk about a sector, the sector is rounded by 2 radii and an arc. So they said this is 105. Okay, so for us to calculate the perimeter, we are looking at radius, our 2 radius plus length of arc. Okay, that will give us our perimeter. And the formula for length of arc is theta over 360 2 pi r. Okay, now this will be the formula for our perimeter. Now we know that our 2 pi r, 2r is 2 bracket r is 6 plus theta is 105 over 360 times 2 times 22 over 7 times 6. Okay, we know that we can break this down, but let's calculate it directly. Okay, this will give us 105 times 44 times 6 will give us, this will be 12 plus 27,720 all over 360 times 7, 360 times 7, that will give us 2,520. Okay, so this will be 12 plus 27,720 divided by 2,520. That will give us 11. 11. So our perimeter equals to 12 plus 11, 23 centimeter. That's our perimeter. Okay, now for the second one, it says calculate the area of sector. Area of sector, we know it as theta over 360 times by r squared. Now that's our formula for area of sector. Now our theta is going to be 105 over 360 times 22 over 7 times r is 6, which is 6 squared. Okay, now we know that 6 squared is 36, 6 times 6, which will give us 36. So this becomes 105 over 360 times 22 times 36 all over 7. Okay, so this becomes, multiplying it out, we have 105 times 22 times 36, which gives us 83,160 divided by 2,520. Okay, divided by 2,520, we are having it as our area equals to 33 cm squared. So that is the area of our sector. We've come to the end of today's tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on your notification button for more updates. If you have any questions, put them down in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook at Mathematics Simplified. Share our link if you've enjoyed our studies so far. Thank you.